I have no idea, guys. I really don't know. This sucks. We're getting hell. I'm out of breath. I'm too old for this shit. Hey guys, welcome to this week's episode, and we are here in Utah, and we're actually going to be a part of our team event as an Amazing Race. Jill and I are actually going to be on our own against the whole company. The Amazing Race is like one of these cool things that you see on TV. Go! Holy cow. You get these clues, and we have to go figure out around the city about where each one of these are. So we're actually getting ready to go get our first clue, and we're going to get this party started. Okay guys, they just gave us the clue. I got the clue right here in my hand right now. Can't open it yet, but just here in a second we're going to open it up and see where we're going to be heading.
There are no clues in the building. You are all going to leave the building and will not come back until you are done for the day. It's officially called through. Rip open your clues and good luck.
I need a knife.
Not all heroes wear physical capes. Some of our everyday heroes work together to keep us and our home safe and our cats out of trees. Standing at this location will give you an amazing view of our building and more specifically the all-hands room.
I have no
Who keeps cats out of trees is firemen, right?
Yeah.
So is there a fire station around here?
Here. Let's go outside. Let's go get in the car, and then let's read this again. Oh, everybody's taking the stairs. All right, let's go. I'm already out of breath. No, gotta go this way. All right. So, okay, well, the all-hands room is actually on the back side of the building.
Is there a fire station?
So there must be a fire station.
Because that's what I think it's.
Yeah.
You know, firemen keep our home safe and they get cats out of trees, don't they?
Yep.
I thought they did.
Yep.
I
think it has absolutely 100% a fire station.
1, 2, 2, and 3.
It's going to be the closest one. I think it's going to be the closest.
One at 9 minutes.
No, not even 9 minutes.
3.8 miles.
Pick the closest one. Which way do I go?
That's a 23 miles. It's got to be the one at least.
It's got to be the one there for sure.
Turn right.
Okay.
Proceed to North Triumph Boulevard, then turn right.
Is there a fire station actually inside of the building?
There are no clues in the building. You are all going to leave the building and will not come back until you are done for the day.
I don't think. Is there like a security or a fire? Which way, Jill?
You're going to turn left.
You gotta come in way sooner than that. Y'all can help us, right?
I don't know. I think so.
Yeah, we're on a team together, by guys. They can't put me out here and not know where the crap I'm going.
I feel like we gotta kind of let you guys do it, though.
Well, you can let me do a little bit, but you can help me some. This is gonna put us on the freeway. Yeah.
We want to go on the freeway?
I don't know.
I am doubtful.
Wait, what's it all supposed to be?
I'm doubtful that we need to go on the freeway.
Okay.
Home safe. Maybe it's a police station. And our cats out of trees. You think it's a police
That's a
station?
fire station.
That's what I would think.
So it's got to be close to the building.
Well, no, they're just saying whatever where we should be going, I guess will give us a great view of the building.
God, that's not going to work because that's going to take us too far away from the building. Is there a firehouse subs?
Yeah, there is.
Is it close by?
Yeah, it's way close, actually.
I bet it's that firehouse subs. So do y'all think it could be the firehouse subs?
It could be. I mean, that or fire station and the fire station is quite a bit away.
So we're trying to figure out, we know nothing about Utah. We know nothing about this place. I can know how to get to 15, know how to get here, but giving clues and not living here, man, this is kind of difficult. Well, if nothing else, guys, we're going to have one heck of a freaking show. We might not even find the first clue. I don't see our building, y'all. This may not be it. Yeah, you run in here. I'm just going to park right here. All right, so we're...
No idea.
So we were wrong. It is definitely not Firehouse. Even though I could go in there and eat the hero sandwich, hey, it was a good try. I know for a fact if they're saying that we can see the view from the actual all hands room, it has to be somewhere close. unless there's like, unless they had a police officer in the freaking parking lot.
There are no clues in the building.
There may be someone that is actually there that used to be that's sitting in the freaking parking lot. I have no idea, guys. I really don't know. It's got to be something like right here. It has to be. It really sucks. This sucks. I really am stumped. I mean, I really thought, based off what we were saying, that it was going to be something kind of like a firehouse, or like that restaurant, something close. But there's no fire department close by. So we're gonna stop for a second. We're gonna cheat. That's what we're doing. We're gonna cheat. We're gonna get some help. We're getting help. So what's the address? Come on. Don't tell me. You got it in the. Look at that crowd. It's sitting right there. Well, I'm gonna tell you right now, we were right there. It was a fire station, but it didn't tell us the closest one for sure. You were hard to find. Woohoo! We got the first one.
Right. Plans can change, forcing us to rearrange. You will find your clue at the park. We would be currently racing cardboard boats.
Oh yeah. Braden, you know where it's at.
I don't remember which part.
Oh, you suck. No way.
Well, it was whatever park we were going to
It's close to here.
originally go to, right?
Well, yeah. Oh, is it in the like Slack, or did they ever announce where that was?
Yeah. Highland Lake.
We think that we're supposed to be going to Highland, what's the name of this place? Highland Glen Lake, Highland Glen Park, or something like that. We think that's where the next clue is.
Oh yeah, go get it. Run! Run, Forrest, run! Hey, that ain't funny.
They want you to run.
All you have to do is take one bag, sink it in the hole, grab your water, your slime, and I'll give you guys your clue.
So, just hit one of these. I gotta get it in the hole?
Gotta hit it in the hole.
Oh, it's a corn toss.
Oh man, do we want to go out over
Yeah, we better. Can I park right here?
Yeah, sure.
So the original part of this, we were going to do something like with instead of this Amazing Race, we were going to build boats out of cardboard, and we were going to actually film it right here inside of this lake. And because of bacteria in here, they said we couldn't get in the water. But you got people in the water. They're going to get bacteria infections.
Just gotta strike it.
There you go.
Hey, here's your clue.
Curious where your next clue will take you? Don't worry, it's only natural. This museum is great for kids and adults alike. Founded by local hero Barbara Barrington Jones. Hint, Google for an extra clue. Yeah, I have no idea since I'm not from here. We'll just Google.
All right, let's go. Come on, old lady. Let's go. I'm out of breath. I'm too old for this shit. Before we do that, I'm gonna let him look at this.
I got the same thing when I looked it up.
Okay, yeah, let's do it.
I have sweated more in the last 2 days between these TikTok dances. I'm running out here. It is hot. Got more sweat. Oh, there they are. All right, Jill. Go do your thing.
So, here's the challenge here. You're gonna eat. You can pick whichever color you want. You can make Ronnie do it if you want. We have to have you eat a whole popsicle in 30 seconds.
Oh, she's got to eat a popsicle.
Okay, so you're saying it'd be like this?
Yeah, like crush them up. Oh yeah, that's what.
Can I just throw the sticks away? Oh yeah.
I'm so glad I made her get out. It was not me.
You have a whole 10 seconds. You're good.
Hey, don't get a brain freeze.
All right, we'll take it. You're good. You're good.
Okay, how much? All right. Hey, there's your very last one. For this clue, you'll need help from an OG
Thanks, Maggie.
at JobNimbus. Let's bring it back to the location that we used to work. JobNimbus' first home outside of a floor, all the way up to the 5th floor.
Yeah, WeWork
That's at the
building.
WeWork building?
Yep, I know where that one's at.
Okay.
we're going to the WeWork building. So before we actually got our location here, they moved into the WeWork.
Should we wait for him?
Nope. He's gonna be like, he didn't wait for us. Y'all too slow. Gotta get with the fast people.
All right, final clue.
Oh, there's another one?
There's just one, well, that's the final spot. So this is the clue to the final spot. So you're there.
This sucks. I'm in the last place.
Says it would be mega fun to have some popcorn fit for any marvelous superhero megaplex. So I guess that's movie theater, I'm guessing. Y'all could have gotten a popsicle.
Hey guys, this absolutely ends the amazing race. It has been fun. We are the last person to show up here. We're the last one.
I'm sorry to tell you are the last team to arrive. You've both been eliminated from the race.
Cannot believe it, but this has been a great episode. Hey, do me a favor, subscribe below, ring the bell, and roll tide, and we'll see you next week.